So you're playing with the game, and maybe you've gotten a few seconds into the whole thing, but your rocket isn't going anywhere. Let's close up here the mission control, and then we have the code. Here is the code. This is what makes the program do stuff. And it's actually pretty long. On the right-hand side here, there's this scroll bar. You can grab it by clicking twice quickly. So you come over here, you click twice quickly, very quickly, and drag down. You can drag it down. If you keep holding and then moving your finger on the trackpad, then you can drag down. So I want you to drag all the way down. It may take you more than one drag to drag it all the way down. And at the very bottom, oh, you might need to click to let go. So you should see this. At the very bottom, you want to be able to play with this piece right here, how to start mission control. Okay? And the way that you start a different mission control function, right now we're using the 0 rocket height function, but we're going to start a different mission control function. So we're going to start mission control instead of 0 rocket height with 10 rocket height. Okay? So when we've changed that, so what I did was it used to say 0. Oh, I can undo. I can hold down the command key, and then while I'm holding the command key, I can press Z, and so I can undo. Okay? So one way to do it is to click here and delete using your delete key all 4 letters, and then just type 10. But one way or another, you want to get this at the end. Okay? When you have that at the end, go click run again. And notice when this comes up that something is different. Your rocket is no longer exactly on the ground. There's a little bit of space between the rocket and the ground. What happens when we press the space bar? Well, the time still advances, and our graph still advances. Hey, the rocket is up here in our graph now. How many meters is that? That's at 10 meters. So we can see on the graph that our rocket is at 10 meters no matter how many seconds have passed. Every time that you start a new challenge, you're going to have to close the mission control and go back to the code. So be sure you know how to close that window.